Hello there, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I wanted to talk to you about the classic issue with iMac 27-inch A1312, overheating issue. Typically, when you have lines on the screen, it would definitely be the graphic card, which that's known for both, but when you have the computer restarting on and off, the issue is the processor, but it could be the graphic as well, and sometimes they're in both could be the issue. Today I wanted to show you how to fix it for a penny. This technique, it's good for someone that knows how to actually repair them. It's not for everyone, because you need to make sure when you remove the board, you need to make sure the wiring it's removed nice with no damages, because when you put the board back, you don't want to have a problem of repairing extra work. So I mentioned about a penny. All you need to do is remove the processor, clean the thermal paste. After you clean the thermal paste, put a new thermal paste in, but make sure it doesn't exceed the area. Take a penny, put it right on top of the processor with the thermal paste on. Take the heat sink, obvious after you clean it, put it back in. Make sure the screws are tight, and you can feel when they're tight. Once you do that, you can turn on the computer, obvious, after you put in the hard drive, and you will be back to work. And all for a penny. But remember, you can do it if you have the knowledge. If you can and you have never done opening computers before, I would recommend don't do it, because you could lead on major problems. I know this is a temporary fix, or sometimes this could be a fix permanent, but this is an easy way, instead of spending hundreds of dollars to repair a board that probably they might do the same thing, or they might just upgrade the processor. I mean, this is an easy fix, but I hope if you can get it done for a penny, why not? Overall, it's not much of an expense. If you like the video, thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you.